someone catches Dara's ball, Dara's out.
Yes.
Get Dara back in. We have to catch the other team's ball. You can't get me back in.
No, it's not like dodgeball where...
That's just happening because we don't have another team against us, alright?
Why is a bus here?
Jesus, this isn't fair. This is just not fair.
As long as we're not joking around like we have been in all the trainings, we should be okay.
I knew they'd be very excited and, they'd be, trying to show off, act up a little bit, which did happen. And I didn't want to let that get to their heads because I felt like they didn't take it serious at first.
But I also have another thing. We'd be better off going inside and having a cup of tea and a bourbon biscuit.
Shut up, Johnny!
We're going to respect these teams. I don't care if they're girls from 11 to 13. They're going to whoop your ass if you don't, if you don't turn up, they will whoop your ass. They need to learn themselves the hard way. And, I was looking at the girls and I was kind of asking them and, they were locked in, they were clued in and they had a lot more experience than the guys, which I knew, and I wanted them to use that against the fellas.
Go.
Oh, well done! Second base! Second base!
Stay on perk, stay on perk.
Fourth spot, stand back. Hugo,
fourth
spot, stand back.
Catch it, catch it, catch it! Oh, no, get the... Hold on.
We weren't focused on the game, I think it's just we were playing girls, but we were kind of distracted.
Catch it, base! Jesus.
Jordan kind of showed a bit of a competitive streak. He didn't want to lose and he was kind of getting a bit frustrated with the lads too because they were joking and messing where they should have been concentrating and making silly mistakes, but it was good to see and I feel like they learned a lot from it.
Be a man.
You're not alive, boys, so you start kicking.